Welcome back to TMB Cars. This is part two. We get the car painted and assembled. Don't judge our paint job. I know it's not the best, but it was our first time and we got to learn how, so that was pretty sweet. Just enjoy the video.
Alright guys, so we wet sanded down the panels 600 grit with a sanding block, and then before we're going to go with some glass cleaner that's streakless to clean all the marks off and whatever, and then that'll just do base stuff, and we're going to use separate microfiber cloths for both of them. And then we got some grease, wax, and silicone remover that we're going to use as the second thing. And while we're doing this whole process, you do want to wear gloves when you're doing it, because otherwise you'll get grease from your fingers or whatever on what you're painting, and it'll come out way better if you follow the steps and use brand new microfiber cloths if you have them for best results. So we also have two panels that we're painting. We have this one, which is the one we're going to use, and then we have a practice panel, which we'll do first, and then we'll let you know how that all goes. And yeah, we'll see.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, like it, share it, do all that junk. I don't even know half the stuff. Like, share, comment, subscribe.
Yeah, I will catch you down with the cost breakdown.
Yeah,
Wednesday.
Third video will hopefully be the cost breakdown. I know we didn't get a video last week, but hopefully we'll shoot for one maybe next week or the week after that. We'll see. It's a little tough right now to get videos posted, but we'll definitely do what we can. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.